Hey, this is Mark Bowen, the trusted voice of solar. I'm here today just visiting with my friend Paul, and he's an amazing guy. Introduced him to the Prime Power Box a few months ago, and man, we are signing up solar contractors like crazy that want to install the boxes. And you know, Paul, what did you see the first time you kind of looked at the box and you got kind of interested and did a little research?
Right. Well, the first thing, I've worked in the solar business for about 6 years, and we're all concerned about saving money on electricity and delivering on the other promise of clean energy. And what struck me about the Prime Power Box is that, and it's an issue that I wasn't even aware of, is that when you install a solar system, you're actually creating dirty energy by the fact that you're putting a DC inverter on the install, which converts it into AC. So this creates a huge problem because the issue of EMFs or dirty energy in the environment are becoming of greater attention.
So let me get this right. You're saying that a lot of solar contractors out there, they say they're selling clean energy or green energy, but you're saying the inverter actually makes the power dirtier, and we're seeing solar contractors kind of start to understand that there could be a liability there in the representation.
Right. Well, there could be. I mean, it's basically a product liability issue. In the solar industry, we're all taught that when you install a kilowatt of solar, it reduces the carbon footprint by like 4,000 trees or something like that, right? And that's one form of clean energy. It's not, and dirty energy isn't just the smoke that comes off the stacks from the carbon power plants. It's also the harmful electronic radiation that is generated by power transmission lines, cogeneration facilities, and other things that introduce electricity and is transmitted through the power grid. So the whole idea of clean energy is great, except for the fact that you're substituting one problem for another by actually installing inverters onto the home or in commercial settings. So the power box addresses those issues because it reduces the harmonics and the harmful frequencies in the electrical transmission lines, and so it reduces the EMFs that are available to the consumer in the long run. So there's all kinds of studies about various forms of bioavailability. We wouldn't want to eat food products with Roundup or any other pesticides and that sort of thing, or drinking water that's contaminated with arsenic or lead, and yet we have electricity that may be harmful just because it's the way it's generated and transmitted. So the Prime Power Box is something that really addresses that, and we've been seeing some amazing stories from people that have had family members that have been ill and have been looking for causes and cures, and this actually addresses the cause and eliminates the worry about what do you do after you become sick. And so I think it's a great idea in the era where we're all becoming more concerned about preventive health care and addressing the problem before it begins rather than addressing it after the fact and trying to deal with it after the harm has already occurred.
Yeah, we're gonna have some more videos that we're putting out. For right now, if you're listening to this, do your own research on EMFs. There's some books out there, a couple books that you'd recommend. What are those books?
Right. Well, one is it's called Dirty Electricity by Samuel Milham. He's actually a medical doctor and an epidemiologist, and he has a master's of public health from Johns Hopkins. And I thought that book was particularly helpful because we don't get a lot of education in the areas of health as solar contractors or salesmen. But when somebody has really kind of identified what the issues are by studying incidences of disease from a historical perspective, it's settled science, but it's certainly a significant issue. And if you have any concerns at all, for me, the answer would be to take preventative action rather than roll the dice and see what happens.
You've been listening to Mark interviewing today, Paul. Today we're talking about the Prime Power Box and how it can help you grow your business and how you can protect your customers with the Prime Power Box. And we'll be doing some more updates.